Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
Just to help our team grow and help our clients so much better, in this, Hello again. Just here, stopping by my new builds. We just closed this 448 here in Weatherstone Monday, and just kind of checking it out for the client. They're supposed to wash it off, and it looks like the sidewalk here is a lot better. There's a pond out back, so a lot of geese. Still need to get this. We're gonna be closing 462 here tomorrow, so I know they wanted to see if they could get the builder to get this, they're washing off the house, get all this geese poop off the driveway and sidewalks for them, so they don't have to move in walking through all this stuff. So definitely get this to my clients and get back a hold of Lancia for tomorrow on this one. So yeah, anyone wanting to build, buy, sell, reach out to us. We'd be glad to help you out and treat you like family and get you taken care of. So everyone make it a great day, and I'm going to send this off to my clients. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.